Meet Loyal and Save, the ultimate loyalty solution for turning walk-ins into repeat customers. With Loyal and Save, your customers will enjoy an effortless and rewarding shopping experience. Not only will Loyal and Save boost customer visits, but it will also supercharge your sales. By offering exclusive discounts, personalized rewards, and tailored rewards, you'll create a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. The best part is, it works with the rest of your FTx retail solutions to keep everything in sync. Loyal and Save offers multiple ways to reward your customers: by purchasing specific items, by participating in campaigns, by visits, and more. Each time a customer spends money at your business, they'll earn tokens towards rewards that you set, like a free item or a discount on a purchase. How easy is it to sign customers up? This easy. At checkout, customers can opt in by a simple scan of their license, which will populate customer information. So all there's left to do is add in the customer's phone number or email. Your customers' tokens and information are then stored within your FTx point of sale for easy lookup. Say goodbye to complicated loyalty programs that confuse your customers. Loyal and Save simplifies the process, making it easy for everyone to join and start earning rewards right away. Customers get alerts when there's new campaign deals, when they earn a reward, and more. It's an added incentive to remind them to return to your store and take advantage of money-saving offers. When it's time to redeem their tokens, simply scan the customer's license or enter your customer's phone number or email and ring up the rewards they've earned as a discount towards their purchase. Or, customers can redeem exclusive items you've added in your swag shop. Setting up your loyalty program is quick and easy. Plus, you have full customization options to tailor it for your business needs. Loyal and Save collects your customer's email address and phone number so you can keep in touch. Our loyalty program seamlessly integrates with your customer and sales data, so you can analyze key metrics and measure the impact on your bottom line. Experience all the benefits of Loyal and Save with our special introductory pricing. For more information, call 845-397-0492 or visit merchant.loyalandsave.com today.